Hi, my name's Neil Friedenberg with ArrKann Trailer. Today I'm going to take you on a little tour of one of my favorite previously enjoyed trailers. It's the 2015 Ascend by Evergreen RV. One of my favorite features is the towability of this trailer. It comes in under 4,500 pounds and it's towable with most half tons. Also, just the front aerodynamic profile. This one actually has a solar panel installed on the roof already. Come on with me, I want to show you here. Big pass-through storage. Power awning. Outside speakers. It's a tandem axle, of course. And inside, as soon as you turn to your left, it features a triple bunk. The middle bunk also can lift up and set into place so that the bottom becomes great storage for some of your bigger items. Lots of storage when you first walk in, and have a peek in here. Good sized bathroom for a family, featuring the commode, the sink, and a bathtub with a full surround, as well as extra skylight for natural light. In your kitchen area, you've got a Dometic 6 cubic foot 2-door fridge and freezer. And actually decent amount of counter space too. Really nice. Got your microwave, 2-burner stove, an actual hood fan, good cupboard storage up here. And if you pan to my left, your right, it has a slide. This slide is a Dinette Booth. This family can sit around it. It also folds down and becomes another bed. So I don't know, do you have 4 kids? Because you could sleep 4 kids in here. And up front we have a queen, an RV queen island bed. So the idea with that is you can both go on your sides without crawling over each other, and it does have a curtain for privacy as well. Lots of wardrobe storage, drawer on both sides, you have plugs, you have lights, comes with a TV. Once again, my name's Neil, ArrKann Trailer. This thing comes $1 under $20,000, $19,999. Talk to you later.